911, what's the address to your emergency?
My neighbor just broke through the wall and punched his sister. I just saw her right now.
He just what?
He punched his sister. He broke through my front door.
How did he break through your front door?
He rammed it and then hit his head through it.
Hey, what's up, Holmes?
2 Yuba City police officers were dispatched to the call. Upon arrival, the responding officers located the suspect and a short foot pursuit ensued. The suspect initially surrendered in the front yard of a nearby residence. Both officers approached the suspect to take the suspect into custody, at which point he became combative and a use of force occurred.
I believe in Jesus. I'm a believer.
Put your hands behind your back.
Jesus Christ. Thank you. I didn't know not what this meant.
Stop! No! No! Stop!
I'm gonna get paid!
You're gonna get paid! Oh, fuck it! Put down! Stop!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! 41, 49.
Officers attempted to use less lethal options, including a taser and baton, to subdue the suspect and take him into custody, but both were ineffective.
Get on the ground!
Stop! Get on the ground! Stop resisting! Roll over! Roll over! Roll over! Roll over! Roll over!
Roll over!
Roll over!
Roll over! Get on the ground! No! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
As a result, an officer-involved shooting occurred. After the suspect was shot, he continued to fight with officers and was eventually taken into custody.
Get on your side! Hands behind your back now! Do not move! You understand? You are going to get shot again!
I got cover.
Do not move! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop moving!
Stop moving!
Stop moving! You're going to get shot again! Stop moving! Shoot me over!
Stop!
Shoot me, please!
Don't move! Don't move!
Jesus Christ,
Don't move! Stop! Stop! Give me your other hand! Give me your other hand! Careful, I got this one. You got that on. Cuff that hand. Cuff that hand.
Okay, you go. You got me. I'm sorry.
Cuff that hand.
It's cuffed. He's cuffed. He's cuffed. He's cuffed. He's cuffed. Give me your
We're
hand.
still trying to get him cuffed. He's still fighting.
Here. Relax. I got you. You got it? Okay. 41, 49. He's in handcuffs.
After the suspect was taken into custody, the officers provided emergency medical aid to the suspect, and he was transported to an area hospital where he remains.
Okay.